All right, just tamping out a small section. But we got to go all the way down there. All right, so we'll mix up what's left there. We're gonna fill it in the holes. Get that first little stretch done, anchored in. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this footer here right there. Gonna even that out. I'm gonna get it level with this block here, so might have to dig this out just a shad more by hand, you know, with a pick and shovel. I'm not gonna bring the tractor all the way over here just for that. I think the amount of time it takes for me to drive the tractor over here, I'll have this done, because that thing moves at like 1.2 miles per hour. And I have to do a pretty big loop. I have considered bringing it down this, but that gets kind of deep right there, and I'm actually concerned about rollover. And until I fill this in over here, I don't want to traverse that side either. So anyhow, let's get started. GoPro, stop recording. Level this out, even with the block. Let's get going. Did I get? Damn, I didn't grab the fucking pick. As you see, that pick's been getting some work in. That was quite sharp at one point. Go on, go. Move. All right, so there's actually an extended, there's supposed to be, they were supposed to go down on these corners and they did not. All right, so that's documented. That'll get taken care of. This isn't so hard to get through because the excavator, for the most part, loosened up the majority. Looks like I'm actually going to go along this side here. So when I had them pour this, I told them I wanted these corners reinforced downwards. They did not do that. So yeah, not happy about that. Let's go ahead and document this further. All right, y'all, so When I had this concrete foundation here put down, or this slab rather, not a foundation, I told them I wanted the corners reinforced, so I wanted them to actually go down and pour deeper concrete here because of this. You know, I mean, the weight that's stressed all the way down. I mean, you can see this is cracked now. Now this is rebar reinforced, so there's plenty of strength here. But when this thing was dropped down, clearly, I mean, that exceeded 9,000 PSI. But had this been reinforced like I wanted, there's a fair chance this wouldn't be as bad. So we'll have to get with our builder. Let's get a better look at that. So 4-inch slab, that should have been reinforced deeper, and they did not do it. All right, first leg, the short leg right here is complete. I'm going to put the post in there. The second leg is complete. There are some post blocks that will need to be built. There will be about 3 post blocks in here that I'll be building. I just need some more blocks. And what I mean by post blocks, I mean like that. Now the final leg is going to go from here, clear down to the end of where the container is, where that last stick is down there. So another 50 feet right here, and that won't be nearly as bad because it doesn't need to be as deep. So that'll probably be 2 or 3 blocks high, tops, probably 2 from the looks of it. Over here is where most of the work's gonna go. Dig some more post holes out. They're already kind of dug, but we'll make them larger so we can make the block squares. It's happening. Well, that's gonna pretty much wrap today, folks.